let's keep it 100. Most influencers are not making money online. So if you are an influencer, digital marketer, online coach, etc., you can make money online with proudlyassociated.com. All you have to do is create a profile on their website as a freelancer, and you'll be notified whenever there are gigs that match your skill set. So I'll be walking you guys through the process, and let's make that money. Okay, so I'm going to walk you guys through the process. We are now on the proudlyassociated.com website. So this is the home page right here, as you guys can see. So what you'll do, you'll click on apply as freelancer. Okay, perfect. We are on the register page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill out some fake details right here. And at the end, we'll just click create account. So let's use the name Anne Marie. Let's put the username Anne Marie at gmail.com. We'll put in a fake phone number, whichever one. We'll create a password. So as you guys can see, you'll just put your first name, all of those details right there. Your country, South Africa, which applies to me. You'll choose your skills. As you guys can see, there is quite a lot of options right here. So for example, you could put Facebook marketing, YouTube content creation, if that's what you do, Instagram influencer, Twitter marketing, so much more, digital marketing, all of those, whichever applies to you. And brief work experience, you can just advise there, I am an influencer. I use my social media platforms to promote products and services for brands. I have worked with XYZ. So you'd list the people that you have worked for. If you don't have any work experience, that is okay. Just put whatever you can that applies to your skill set. The next thing, what you will do is put in your Facebook account if you have one, the URL for that, the Twitter URL, Instagram URL, LinkedIn URL, and your website. What I did is I just put my YouTube right there. And what you will do is you'll click create account. Okay, username already exists because I already used this. Perfect. So what we'll do, once your account is created, it will just say account has been successfully created. And I am going to log in so I can show you guys. And Marie, password, and Marie, log in, successful, redirecting. Give me a second. So as you guys can see, once you are on this one right here, it will ask you to put in your first name again, not sure why, last name Marie, display name whichever you want to be displayed, and obviously URLs if you've added all of that. And to change your profile photo, you'll just click on the camera right there, and you'll go to upload avatar and choose from whichever. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys found that helpful. So get onto the website and create your account right now to get that money. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.